Unlock the future of filmmaking by transforming static art into breathtaking motion with Leonardo AI. Our journey begins by crafting the individual elements that will bring our vision to life. Start by accessing Leonardo AI and navigating to its image generation tools. The key to compelling animation lies in meticulous prompt engineering. Think about all the details: lighting, style, composition, and atmosphere for our first scene. Let's prompt for a tranquil forest clearing bathed in golden sunlight, with a gentle stream, aiming for a photorealistic style. Once your prompt is ready, generate a series of images. Crucially, we're looking for subtle variations, not drastic changes. This consistency in style, perspective, and subject matter is paramount. Aim to generate around 5 to 10 images for a short sequence, ensuring each frame shares a strong visual DNA with the others. With our consistent frames in hand, we move to a iPod video generation. Upload or select your generated images within Leonardo AI's animation feature now. Guide the AI's motion using descriptive prompts for our forest scene. We can suggest a gentle breeze rustling leaves and water flowing smoothly. Experiment with the strength and direction of motion controls to achieve the desired effect. Observe the generated animation preview. See how just a few generated frames can be transformed into a dynamic scene? This core technique can be applied to create myriad effects, from subtle camera pans to more complex character movements. For more elaborate scenes, you might repeat this process for different angles or elements, then combine them later. The true magic happens when you string these AI-generated segments together for post-production. You can use standard video editing software, assemble your clips, add transitions, and even overlay them for sophisticated visual storytelling. Think about pacing and how each animated segment contributes to the overall narrative. By mastering frame generation, careful prompting, and thoughtful assembly, you can craft iPod videos that are truly captivating. The possibilities are as limitless as your imagination.